Getting loaded up. We're ready to take off. Getting hooked up. Oh yeah. Look at them go. Look at them. Oh, there they go. Just don't die. You know? You still have that nice water to smack into, right? Right? Yep. So we'll see. See what happens. Winding up. Going up. Yeah, we're at the fun spot tonight, you know? Came here specifically for this. Yes! Going up. Ah, man. Yep. Yeah, the reason I'm not on it is because I'm a big pussy, so. Yep. Can't take that. Ready! Bomb! No, 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 no. Over into like not even a minute. And that was worth $40, I guess. Yep. Hello, boys. And there you go. The biggest in the world. Yeah. Pretty impressive. They did it. So yeah, it's like 3 minutes and 42 seconds to get up there, and yeah. Look at the lucky guys go on next. Hanging there like little rag dolls. Oh yeah. Unloaded. Oh yeah, look at that guy. They're excited. Oh, they're showing their muscles. Woo! Yep, they're excited. And this music in the background. The anthem. No. Saluting the people to go up there. Yep. Yep, look at those losers that just like said hi to me. I don't get that. These guys aren't even on the ride yet and they're already sticking their arms up. What the heck? Sorry. And cutting off.